So my 3 cells in bromine, been running a couple of tests on them. I'm going to abandon version 3 now, moving to version 4. New design, just waiting for some parts for that. What I did find was this plastic is pretty thin. So I don't know if you can see there, I started getting this yellowing. And I suspect that's bromine that was escaping out the bottom through the plastic and onto this styrofoam board. I think it's that. It could also be discoloration caused by the heat. The cells got pretty warm in some of the tests, the way I was charging them, fairly high amps. But yeah, there was a very pronounced chemical smell as well, so that's why I'm saying there was definitely bromine escaping. I'm finding, I don't know if the cells are drying up, but this cell C, has performed quite badly compared to the other two. This cell has performed pretty well, and we weighed them before and filling them and afterwards, and they've all got very close to the same volume of electrolyte in. That one does have slightly less, and we filled that one twice. It had a lot less electrolyte in it than the other two, so we made a little bit more and then added it later. So it could be that the second batch of electrolyte wasn't great. But yeah, we're going to move away from this cell design, and we're waiting for materials to do version 4. Version 4, we're going to use less of the foam separator that we have between the electrodes. That foam separator is basically floral foam, which you can buy at the florist. And I don't know, I think that might be causing some of the self-discharge issues, or I'm actually not sure. But we're moving away from that, waiting for some carbon felt to arrive. And we're going to be doing that. It's version 4. Version 5 that we've got planned, it's already in the works. We're also waiting for parts for that to arrive. So yeah, it's going to be quite a bit more testing. Also, I want to try and improve my testing equipment, because running with a fan isn't giving me enough information. So it's great, we can run a fan, but that doesn't tell me it's not measuring my amp hours or anything like that. So going to be trying some cheap testing equipment for that sort of thing and see where we get with those.